Ever wonder why you can't just stop hiccuping? It's actually a prehistoric glitch. See, when your diaphragm spasms, it sucks air in, but your vocal cords instantly slam shut, creating that hic noise. But scientists believe this reflex comes from our ancient amphibian ancestors. Tadpoles use this exact jerking motion to push water over their gills while sealing their lungs so they don't drown. So basically, every time you hiccup, your brain is confused and trying to breathe underwater like a frog.